Do you say anything? I think this is beautiful, right? I just keep it like that. Oh, lovely. Just a little bit of touch, finishing touch. I think I'm done. All right, look at this. How is that? I messed up here actually. I could see that. I just want to cover it a little bit, and then, or maybe I think it's fine. Yeah, it's fine. It's absolutely fine. This should be thicken up. Oh no. That's okay, my love. I'm gonna do one more here, a small finishing touch. Okay.